In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Calendly to Google Calendar 5 minutes. By the end, your meetings will sync automatically, preventing double bookings and saving you time. Start by opening your browser and heading to calendly.com. On the home page, look toward the top of the screen and click Login. If you don't already have a Calendly account, you can create one first, but if you do, continue with your existing login. On the login page, enter your email address and click Continue. Next, enter your password and click Continue again. Depending on your security settings, you might be prompted for an extra verification step. Just follow the on-screen prompts. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Calendly home or dashboard. From here, find integrations and apps. This may appear in the main navigation or in a sidebar, and it opens a page that lists all the tools you can connect to Calendly. On the integrations page, locate Google Calendar and select it, then click Connect. This tells Calendly you want to link to your Google account so it can read your availability and add events for any new bookings. A Google window will appear asking you to choose an account. Select the Google account you want Calendly to use. If you manage multiple accounts, pick the one that contains the calendar you rely on for your day-to-day schedule. Using the wrong account can cause missing or duplicate events, so double check before continuing. Next, Google will display a permission screen. This explains what Calendly can do, such as see your calendar to avoid conflicts and create events when someone books time with you. Review the details, and when you're ready, click Continue to Authorize. You'll be redirected back to Calendly and the connection will be active. From now on, Calendly will check your Google Calendar for conflicts and add new bookings to your default Google Calendar automatically. You can fine tune which calendars are checked for availability and where new events are placed later in your calendar settings. A few quick tips to keep everything smooth. If the Google window doesn't open, enable pop-ups for Calendly in your browser. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google profile before you connect. Confirm your time zone in both Calendly and Google so meeting times display correctly. And if you use multiple calendars like work and personal, ensure the right one is set as the default for new events. That's it. Your Calendly is now connected to your Google Calendar and ready to streamline your scheduling.